So guys, you're welcome once again to iTech, and today's video is going to be on how to boost your Facebook page. So as you can see, this is my Facebook, and I'm going to take you through how you'll be able to boost your post. So as you can see, if you have a Facebook, you see this account here, boost post. Oh, sorry, you see this boost post. How are you going to boost this post to get more customers and also to promote your page? Now, for you to make it simple, you just have to go to Play Store and download this app, Business Suite. Okay, Business Suite. So you just go to Play Store and search this one, Business Suite. Okay, this is it, Business Suite. Okay, so you just hit on that, and as you can see, I have already downloaded the app here. This is the app. I have already downloaded the app. That is the Meta platform. So you download this app. After that, you just open it. I'll not go for the update. So you just see the app on your phone like this one. Okay, so it will be like this. So you just have to open it. If you are creating it for the first time, you have to make sure you sign up with your Facebook account, and then after that you can see all the pages that you have. As you can see, I have a lot of pages here, and then I have my business account also. Okay, so I'm going to use this account to boost this post. Now let me show you. If you want to boost your post, when you come here, you see this bottom here, you see tools. So just hit on tools, and then you see hot ads. Okay, so we hit on ads, and let me show you. I have some ads that is running now. So as you can see, this is the ad that I have, and this ad is running. As you can see, it's active here. This is the one that has completed, and this is the results of it. And I was able to get five messages, and out of these five messages, two were successful. So I was able to make sales out of this post, and then I spent $1.95 for 1 day, and I was able to make two sales out of this advert. So let me take you through how you'll be able to also boost your post. And then so you just go to ads, and then you see here, you see advertise, and then you hit on advertise, and then as you can see, these are your post or your content that you have posted already. So, and when you look here, we have the get more messages, which is recommended. Get more WhatsApp messages. Okay, so if you want to get more messages, you can choose any of these. And then you want to get Facebook messages, second one, WhatsApp messages, and then get started with automated ads, and then get more leads if you want people to buy from your, or to sign up your affiliate links, or to buy from your affiliate links. Get more website visitors. If you want people to also visit your website, you choose this item. And then if you want to promote your Facebook page, you just choose this one. So for the purpose of this video, I'll just go for this one, which is to get more WhatsApp messages, because we want to sell our items or our products to customers. So this is what you are going to see. This is a preview of it. Okay, and then you can create your own here. You can just edit here to choose the 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 post that you want to use. So as you can see here, you see use a post here. Have use a post, so we'll be using a post to boost this. Okay, so as you can see, when you scroll down, you see all the content that you have posted on your page. Okay, so you just select any of the posts that you want to boost. So I'll be using this post. So I'll just hit on use that post, and it will be okay. So this is the post that I have selected. Okay, now we are going to generate, or we are going to create our ads based on this one. Okay, so you just hit here to save changes, and you just wait a little bit. Please do well to subscribe and like the video. So as you move on, you see special ad category. Let's go down, then messaging apps. So these are the two places where you'll be getting messages from, that is from Messenger and from WhatsApp. So you just scroll down and then you see this one, welcome messages. How when people customers click on your links or your WhatsApp or the Facebook, what are the message that they are going to receive? You can edit it here, and then you can also leave this default one. So I'll just leave it as it is. You scroll down and you see your audience. So improvement, ad delivery. So you can set your audience. Now let's scroll down here. People you choose through targeting. So which people are you targeting? So this one, we are targeting 18 to what, 65 plus people whom we want to show this advert to, and you can also click here to make changes. Okay, all right, so now let's move on. Please do well to like the video. So placement, where are we going to, are they going to show your ads? That is through Facebook and then through Instagram. You just scroll down and then you get to a point where you need to select the amount of money that you be able to spend every day. So the first one is $1, and with $1, this is the reach. You can reach 740 to 2.1k people per day, and then we have $2. Go to $3 for per day, $5 per day, then $15 per day. So you decide. So you just choose on $1, and then this advert starting date is today, which is 28, and then start now. So how many days are we going to run these ads? If you choose 7 days, is this that these 7 days you are going to spend $1, $1, so 1 times 7. Okay, so you can increase it, and at the same time you can also decrease it. Okay, so you can decrease it to, let's say, 2 days or 3 days. You can also increase it. This payment method, so as at now, this is the amount of money that I have 92 because I just placed an ad today. So you add fund, so you just have to add fund here. You click here to add fund. So total, this is how much I have to pay to Facebook for this ad to be run, $5.75. So I have to add funds. So creating ads for the first time, you need to add to your payment method. Okay, you have to add your payment method to it. So your payment method, you can choose either I prefer, if you find yourself in Africa, cheaper cash or EcoBank virtual card is one of the best that you can also use. So after that, you just have to choose a payment method. You click here, and then you have to go on next, and you have to debit or credit card. So your credit or debit card number here. Okay, and then your month, and then the year, and then the CVV. You get all these at the back of your card, or you can see it on your virtual card. So after adding that, you just click on what see. As you can see, I have 3 cards. One has expired, but 2 active. So I'll just choose this one. Okay, so after choosing this one, I'll hit on what proceed, and my ads is going to be reviewed, and it will be what approved, because now the amount that I have in my card is less than $5. So if I decide maybe my account will be declined, so I'll just go back, and then after you approve it, you just come here and then you hit on promote now. So after hitting on promote, Facebook will review your ads. Facebook will review your ads, and if it is being approved, you see it like this, just like this, where you see that active, and then you see active. So you can view the progress, the results of your ads. So as you can see, this is the ads, my current ads, and then just about 2 hours ago, and it has reached 486. And messaging, I have received only 1 message. So I have to next 24 hours, and this is the amount that I have spent so far on this ad. So guys, this is the easiest ways that you can create Facebook ad. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you. Bye bye.